In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Notion app. If you spend long stretches of time in Notion, switching to dark mode can help reduce eye strain and make your workspace feel calmer, especially in low light environments. I'll walk you through the exact path in the app and share a few quick tips so everything is smooth and clear. First, open Notion and look to the left side of your screen for the sidebar. That's where you'll find the Settings option. If your sidebar is collapsed, just expand it so you can see the full list of options. Click on Settings to open the main settings panel. This is where all your account and app preferences are managed. Inside the Settings panel, head to the Preferences section. This area controls how Notion looks and behaves on your device, and it's where you'll make the switch to dark mode. Take a second to make sure you're in Preferences before moving on. Within Preferences, look for the Appearance option. Appearance is exactly what it sounds like, the visual theme of your Notion workspace. Click on Appearance and you'll see the theme choices. Select the option for dark. As soon as you choose it, the change will apply immediately. No need to restart the app or confirm anything. The interface, menus, pages, and sidebar will instantly switch to a dark theme. If you want to compare how it feels, you can toggle back and forth for a moment to see the difference. Dark mode is great at night, during presentations, or whenever you want a softer contrast. If you notice any pages looking brighter than others, that could be due to specific content blocks or images. The theme still applies across your entire workspace. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you work across multiple devices, you'll want to make sure each one is set the way you like it, since theme settings are often device-specific. And if you share your workspace with others, your choice of appearance affects only your view. It won't change how other collaborators see their Notion. That's it. To recap, open Settings from the left pane, go to Preferences, find Appearance, and switch it to dark. The result is instant, and you can switch back anytime if you prefer a lighter look. Enjoy your new, comfortable workspace, and happy organizing in Notion.